you are a content creator, crafter, digital girly, or you have a service-based product and you don't have a YouTube channel, you sleeping on yourself. Let me tell you why. Y'all, YouTube has made me $12,000 within 1 year. Yes, you guys, 12,000. That is 12,000 extra dollars that I didn't even know I could have. And let me tell y'all how. All I did was post a video once a week. One time a week, I post a YouTube video, and that is it. And you can do it too. If you already is a creative, you're a content creator, you're a crafter, you're a digital girly, you sell service-based products. The same content you post on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you can repurpose it and post it on YouTube, but in long format, okay? So we're going to be talking about that over the next couple of weeks. But I just want to tell you guys, if you don't have a YouTube channel, you are sleeping on yourself. So the first thing you do, whenever you are trying to figure out what should I talk about on YouTube, you got to see what it is that the people want to hear. What do they want to learn? And the way that I do that, okay, you guys, you are going to go to the right-hand corner and click on your picture. Click on YouTube Studio. Next, you're going to go to the left hand and click on Analytics. You are going to click on Trends. If you scroll down, you can see based on your topic what other people in your industry is doing. But right here on the search, you're going to type in how to create content. Only if creating content is something that you want to teach or talk about on your YouTube. When you go to how to create content, you're going to see that there's other people that's already like killing it in the industry. And you can look at their titles, their thumbnails, and see what they're doing. And you can get inspired by that and redo it for you. Or you can click right here where it says brainstorm ideas. And when you click brainstorm ideas, it's going to show you different topics based on what people want to hear about. And it gives you the high interest versus the low interest. So I will always choose the ones that has high interest. So right here you have content creation strategies for XC success. You have turning your craft passion into a business. You have making content that people share. So not only can you use this as a content idea, but you can also use this as your YouTube title. Just remember that your title got to be a different title than your thumbnail. So we'll talk about that on another episode, but this is how you come up with the ideas. And if you want more ideas, you can put in different topics right here and then just click on create ideas and it will do that for you. So you guys, I just showed you that is the first thing to do. Like once you know like what it is that you're good at, your skill, whether it's crafting, creating content, selling digital products, service-based business, you got to come up with the content idea that you need to know of what to create a YouTube video on. The next thing you want to do, I batch my content. Like everything is just batching. So once I have the day where I come up with all of my ideas, right? Just got this whole list of ideas. If you really want to go further, you can come up with a whole year's plan of ideas that you want to talk about every week. Because remember, YouTube is just a once a week long form video platform. So once a week. Now, sometimes I drop videos multiple times a week. I just got that many gems in me. But if you want to just start off as the beginner, one time a week, that's 4 times a month, that's 48 times a year, you can go ahead and plan your whole year's worth of content. Now, the next thing I do, so say for instance, today's Wednesday. So I'm coming up with all of my ideas of what I want to talk about. Tomorrow, I'm going to come up with the whole outline, okay? Because whenever I'm teaching, I need to have bullet points of what to talk about. I need to know what I'm going to be saying in this video. Like, what am I going to be teaching? So I will take that title and I will go inside of ChatGPT and I will break it down and tell them, hey, ChatGPT, I am a content creator coach. I teach creatives how to come up with content for their business. I'm going to be teaching on this title, blah, blah, blah. Please give me a full outline that's 10 minutes long because I like to do my videos 10 minutes or I like to do my videos 20 minutes or less. Maybe 30 minutes if on a good day. Because I just know people's attention span is short. And I just want them to be able to digest the information I'm giving them. So I try to do like a 10-minute video. So I'll tell ChatGPT that ChatGPT will take that title and it will break up bullet points of what to talk about. And I will let them know like, hey, I'm teaching beginners. So tell me what to talk about for newbies. And it will tell me what to talk about. Of course, I already know what to talk about, but it's just helping me come up with it and, steps. So I'm not all over the place when I'm talking and I can basically time myself. Another thing that I do, you know what? This is just part one. If y'all want more, y'all know I love telling y'all that. Comment the word part two in the comments because I don't want to overwhelm y'all. Like, I have so many gems in my head that I can literally drop 5 videos a week on YouTube. It'll be crazy. But if you guys haven't noticed, like, of course, I'm a crafter by nature. I'm a crafter by heart. But I'm really a content creator. Like, that's what I eat, sleep, and breathe. So my channel is going to be taking a kind of small turn that's going to be talking more about content because I can teach y'all how to craft all day. But if you don't know how to market your craft through content, what's the point of learning how to make custom t-shirts and tumblers? Nobody's going to buy it. You don't know how to market. And you can't market unless you're doing it on some type of social media platform that's free. I mean, of course, you can market by going to like different pop-up shops, but social media is the most free platform that you can put your products out there, go viral, get to the bag, get rich. I'm telling you guys. So I want to teach you guys how to master content creation as a creative crafter, digital girly. If y'all want part two, comment the word part two. I just showed you guys how to find ideas of what to talk about. And if y'all are new here, go ahead and hit the like, comment, and subscribe button below because I'm going crazy every week, sometimes twice a week. And if you're not subscribed, you will never be notified when I drop a gem that you can be utilizing right now. So I will see y'all in a minute. Comment part two, and I got y'all.